Well, let's try that one again. Good morning. Today is Wednesday, October the 31st, last day of October. Lots of contracts going to be closing today. Probably a pretty volatile day after 2 days not being in the market. This is Anne Marie, and this is SPY Outlook. I apologize for the first one not having any audio. I just got an upgrade to the software that I use to record, and it decided to send all my whatevers to some la la land. So there we go. Let's start again. What we're seeing is a pop. We had about 142.30-ish as the high. Now notice that puts us right underneath this fib. What do I think? There's no way we're going to hold this pop. Well, I do not foresee us holding this pop. I believe that we are at resistance in the broad markets, and I'm not quite sure why we've got pent-up buying, but it is. And of course, 2 days, the storm, I'm thinking that, something there might have something to do with it. But if we were not looking at the storm and we were saying, hey, listen, let's just consider the SPY, we can see that we've got dampening downside momentum here. We can see that there's updraft. If you look down here at the SMIs and the CCI, that inclining move right there suggests upside momentum building. I do believe it's upside momentum into resistance. However, if it is a reversal, then a 38.2% reversal event isn't that shabby. We could live with that. If it goes past this level, 143.36, we'll be looking to the top of the channel. This actually is going to be the breakout. Again, someone said the other day, hey, that's a pretty generous channel she's drawing. I'm really not drawing a channel per se. This is a linear regression line. Notice, as it moves between each piece, it gets recalculated, right? As it goes down each candlestick. And so that's pretty much what we're looking at. So this rotating event could put us up all the way into here, and we would still be in this flag. And that would, of course, still be a bullish flag. We have the chance of moving down into the 139-ish, 140 area. I think 140 is pretty legitimate. Look at all this congestion. And then that would make, a really nice retest event. Those of you that work with me all the time, you know that I talk about those retests, and those being the best places to take long trades or short trades, depending on, what the formation is looking like. So let's have a look to see what actually happens here. It looks to me like it's rolling over, but, let's just wait. Let's see if it breaks down past the 142 area. Once it gets down past this congestion event, you know that we've got downside momentum. It's holding the 200. We've got this upside. And so the key level is price. What am I doing? Remember, price should be the thing that makes you move into a trade, and it's the thing that should make you move out of a trade ultimately. Right? Whether it's a lower high, that price right there, because it can't breach the prior high, or whatever it happens to be, pay attention to those things. Key areas to get involved where risk is low and opportunity for reward is high is to take a short off rejection and take a long off of bounce, right? As in rejection of this region or a bounce off that region. All right, watch for the higher lows and higher highs today, folks, and then step it on down. Don't take big size today. We may have a tremendous amount of volatility that shows up. I don't know, right? I've never lived through any kind of event like this, certainly, and I've certainly never traded through it. So, we shall see. Just keep your head on straight and watch for those higher lows and higher highs, or lower lows and lower highs. If you have combinations that are jagged and you can't build a pattern, it means that you have unreliable price patterns. Why in the world do you want to take a trade there? Okay? Be more discretionary. Don't just pick up and grab whatever it is. All of us have a certain amount of resources and they're all limited. And so why not act like it's that way and be discretionary about what it is that you choose? All right, good luck trading today.